Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Bijoy Ekushe on Windows 11 PC. Bijoy is a very known Bangla language writing tools or software. Bijoy Ekushe is a very popular version of Bijoy software. So in this video, I will going to show you how to install Bijoy Ekushe on Windows 11 PC. So I have already Bijoy Ekushe software setup file on my desktop. So I double click on it. Then it is preparing to installing, and I click on next button, and I click on next button, and I agree to this license agreement, and I click on next button, and I click on next button. So within few seconds it will installing. So it asks me permission to install on Windows 11 PC. So I click on yes. Then installation is starting, and within few seconds it will be completed. So my installation is almost done. So I am waiting. So my installation process is finished. So I run this Bijoy Ekushe software. So I click on start button, click on all apps, and I see Bijoy Ekushe. So I click on this software. So this is Bijoy Ekushe software. So now I can easily type anything by Bengali language. So I open the browser and I search. So now I can easily type anything with Bengali language by this software. So very useful and very helpful software. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you watch this video on Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page, hit the like button on this video. Thank you for watching this video.